Lemon is a citrus fruit rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and soluble fibers that help reduce appetite and regulate the intestines, and is often used to season fish, seafood, and chicken. In addition, the lemon peel and its leaves contain essential oils that give it its characteristic smell and can be used to make tea. A freshly picked lemon contains about 55% of the daily amount of vitamin C required, which acts as a powerful antioxidant and helps improve the immune system, preventing diseases such as flu and colds, in addition to containing other antioxidant components such as polyphenol, limonoids, and caffeic acid. Main benefits of lemon. The main health benefits of consuming lemon are: 1. Promotes weight loss. Lemon can help with weight loss as it is low in calories and rich in fiber, forming a gum in the stomach and reducing appetite. In addition, it is believed that vitamin C helps detoxify the body and could accelerate the process of fat oxidation, which can favor the weight loss process. Drinking water with lemon without sugar or sweetener helps to cleanse the taste buds, reducing the desire to eat sweet foods, in addition to having a diuretic effect, helping to combat fluid retention. 2. Prevents constipation. Lemon helps to stimulate the intestines because it is rich in fiber, which favors the passage of feces through the gastrointestinal tract, having a better effect when consumed with warm water first thing in the morning. 3. Has gastroprotective effects. One of the active compounds in lemon is limonene, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects against the Helicobacter pylori bacteria, in addition to preventing the appearance of stomach and duodenal ulcers. 4. Protects against infections. Due to limonene, lemon has antifungal and antibacterial properties that help to combat diseases such as candidiasis, flu, colds, and infections by other bacteria, such as Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pneumoniae, and Moraxella catarrhalis. 5. Improves the appearance of the skin. As it is rich in vitamin C, regular consumption of lemon promotes tissue regeneration and the formation of collagen, which is a structure that gives firmness and elasticity to the skin, accelerating the healing of wounds. In addition, it is rich in bioactive compounds with antioxidant properties, which prevent premature aging and the appearance of wrinkles. 6. Lowers blood pressure. Lemon can help regulate blood pressure, as it is rich in flavonoids that have an inhibitory effect on vasoconstriction of the arteries, relaxing blood vessels and thus improving blood flow. In addition, lemon contains potassium, a mineral that helps eliminate excess sodium from the body through urine. 7. Prevents anemia. Lemon helps prevent anemia because it contains vitamin C, which favors the absorption of iron in the intestine, especially iron from plant sources. To do this, it is important to consume foods rich in this mineral together with a diet rich in vitamin C, including lemon. 8. Prevents kidney stones. The citric acid present in lemons can help prevent the formation of kidney stones, since the urine is less acidic. In addition, it has diuretic properties that also help prevent the formation of stones. 9. Prevents some types of cancer. Lemon contains several bioactive compounds, such as limonoids and flavonoids that have anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties that prevent the formation of free radicals, induce apoptosis, and inhibit cell proliferation. 10. Prevents acne. Due to the antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of lemon, it is possible to combat some bacteria that are related to the formation of acne. How to use. To obtain all the benefits of lemon, you can use the juice, pulp, and grated peel, the latter being important because it is in the peel that the essential oils of this fruit are found. Lemon juice should be consumed cold, and as soon as it is made, because 20% of the vitamin C is lost after 8 hours at room temperature and 24 hours in the refrigerator. Lemon can also be consumed with water and can be taken on an empty stomach, which can help with weight loss. Lemon essential oil can be used in diffusers or air fresheners for aromatherapy, perfuming and purifying the air, helping to treat respiratory infections and improving mood. Recipes with lemon. Some healthy and tasty recipes with lemon are: 1. Lemon and pear juice. This juice stimulates digestion and has a laxative effect that helps treat constipation, also helping to purify and detoxify the body. Check out other benefits of lemon juice. Ingredients: juice of 1 lemon, 1 pear cut into cubes, 2.5 centimeters of fresh ginger root, half a cucumber cut into cubes. Preparation: blend all the ingredients in a blender and serve with some ice cubes. This can be drunk every day, preferably first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. 2. Tea with lemon peel. This tea contains the essential oils of lemon that have a purifying effect, in addition to being delicious to drink after a meal, for example. Ingredients: half a glass of water, 3 centimeters of lemon peel. Preparation: boil the water and then add the lemon peel. Cover for a few minutes and drink immediately, still warm, without adding sugar. 3. Strawberry lemonade. Ingredients: juice of 2 lemons, 5 strawberries, half a cup of water. Preparation: blend the ingredients in a blender and drink immediately without adding sugar. 4. Lemon and orange juice. Ingredients: 2 oranges, 1 lemon, 100 milliliters of sparkling water. Preparation: squeeze the orange and lemon in a juicer and mix this natural juice with the sparkling water and drink immediately. This is a great version of a natural soda. In addition, lemon prevents the oxidation of other fruits and can be added to other fruits such as apples, pears, bananas, or avocados, or even in fruit salads to prevent oxidation.